somewhere, don't know what to say.
What's up, guys? So welcome to a new vlog. It's your girl Domonique. I know I'm looking like y'all, we've been packing. Well, really not packing. We packed some stuff, but basically decluttering, getting the house together because the movers are coming in literally 8 minutes. Okay, they said they'll be here around 11, so it's 10:53. I just got done like with everything, so maybe I'll show you guys like a little rundown of what the house is looking like. Y'all, SKYLAR, I'm gonna insert a picture of what SKYLAR did to the couches yesterday. Like, what the heck? But Sean got it clean. So here's what the couches look like. He cleaned them yesterday, so they look really, really nice. And we just got them like detached. Say hey, Sky. Hey. So, I mean, everything is basically like kind of straightened up. You know, my desk over there, I guess they'll pack all of that up. So here's our closet, and they have to pack all this stuff. I have stuff in the drawers, and they're gonna pack all that. But let me show you guys what the closet's looking like. So here is Sean's side of the closet, and you know, all his stuff, and most of his jeans are down there. Then he got like clothes in the drawer. Here is my side of the closet. Clothes, like y'all, I really need to declutter. I should have did that, but I ain't got time. I just don't feel like it. Got clothes in those drawers. That top bin is my jeans, and down there is like winter sweaters. Here is Sean's shoes, majority of them. Say hey. So I was kind of like iffy about them packing up my underclothes, but I thought like I like to keep my underclothes in these mesh bags anyway, so I just made sure I put everything in the mesh bag, so all they have to do is just transfer it to the box. So I have these little mesh bags. You can get them from Walmart, and you know, they can just transfer it to the box. I have one for my socks, and that's mainly it, right? SKYLAR's cranky. You ready? So you bringing all your babies? You might can find like a Groupon or something. Just bring her. Just bring one.
No. Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator.
Say at the wild crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
What's up, guys? So we are out of the house. It's 1 o'clock and the movers just got there. I was like walking to the car, getting in the car, and the movers just got there. So they're getting ready to start getting everything packed up. Say what, baby? So before I go run some errands real quick, SKYLAR has so much energy, and all her toys are like kind of, you know, like we're not letting her like mess with a lot of her toys just because we already got them kind of situated where we need them. So she needs to get some energy out. So I am getting ready to take her in not Walmart, but McDonald, so she can eat and play. It feels so good today. It's 82 outside. Like, it's not usually this hot here, but it feels really good. So we're going to sit out here outside, eat, let her play a little bit, and then I have to run. Yeah, I know you're ready. I gotta go to Walmart. I have to go to GameStop. Sean gave me some games to oh my gosh, did I bring it? Oh, we gotta go back home. I left the packages at home. I gotta go to the post office, send some packages off. Like, how did I, like, that was one of the main reasons why I came out, was to go to the post office. But anyways, let me go ahead and get to McDonald's so we can get some, yeah, so we can have some fun. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on, sugar mama. Come on, sugar mama. Sky, you dressed like,
Oh, it's hot.
yeah, it's hot. Oh, I know that's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh my goodness.
It's cold.
No, it's hot. You was right, it's hot. but I thought it was gonna be cool, so I left out like some long sleeves and stuff because it's been cool. But today this heat snuck up on us. But the clothes she got on is thin.
Play.
Yeah, you gonna play?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. You ready?
No.
Yeah, you say you ready to play?
No.
So I'm ready to play.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh. Can you blow a kiss? What's up, guys? So we are in McDonald's, just got our food. Skylar's eating. She got a chicken nugget Happy Meal, and then she got her a little toy. Do you like your toy? You do? She eating her nuggets now. I got me a Big Mac, y'all. I don't usually get Big Macs. I usually just get what is it, chicken nuggets from McDonald's, but I wanted a burger today, and I got me some fries, and I got me a soda. Okay, I got me some root beer. If y'all don't know, root beer is my favorite. So I really don't drink soda like that at all, so I just wanted to splurge today, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me go ahead and dig in before my food gets cold. I should have just got the Big Bag meal, and I got the Happy Meal because she does not eat. She's not eating those nuggets. I know I should have got the cheeseburger because she likes burgers better, and she's tearing my Big Mac up, and I can't even eat this whole burger. I'm like already full. So what, baby? Frog? It's a bird. The bird say tweet tweet. You ready? So we just left McDonald's and it's 2:06, so we stayed there for like a little bit over McDonald's. We stayed there for like a little McDonald's. We stayed there for a little bit over an hour, and now I am at GameStop. I'm getting ready to sell these games. Then I'm gonna go to Jersey Mike's, get Sean a sub. He wants a sub, and I'm gonna take it back there, and then I'll probably drop her off and run back out and just go to the post office. But I told her, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do when we go home? What did mommy tell you we're gonna do? We're gonna do what? We're gonna go outside and do bubbles.
A bubble.
Bubbles. We're gonna I bought some bubbles yesterday. Some what was it? Paw Patrol? I think it was Paw Patrol, Sky. Wasn't it? The bubbles I got yesterday? Say yes.
Yes.
Say yes, ma'am. They were Paw Patrol.
For sure.
You ready to go in the store?
No. Are you ready?
You ready? All right, sugar mama. Come on, sugar mama. Guys, we're gonna be in North Carolina in less than a week. Okay. It's hot. So yeah, I'm going back home. You guys are gonna be so excited because y'all been missing my mom, my sister. Like, I'm so ready to see everyone. I really haven't seen, like, I haven't even seen my dad since January, and like the rest of my family since like December.
Mommy.
But you know my mom was here in March. Yes, Sky. Yes, Skylar. Don't fall. Don't fall, baby. Don't fall. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Don't fall, baby.
Don't fall, baby. Don't fall, big baby. What's up, guys?
Baby.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day, and we are at the next. It's like 12. Sky, we'll open it. We'll see if Daddy will get it for you. So we're at the next. We just had to like leave because more people came, and then they was upstairs. So there's people in every room. Like, they are getting it done. It's like 7 people in the house packing everything up, and they have to have it packed by today. So the man with the truck, he's gonna be there tomorrow at 9 in the morning to pick everything up. So they are getting it in the house. So we just had to get out because it was so hectic, and then we're just at the next. Sean is getting a haircut, and we're just walking around. Skylar thinks she's getting this baby doll. And what else? What was I about to say? God, gosh, I was about to say something. I turned the camera on because I had something to say. Like, what was it? I don't know. So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Sky. Say hey. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Look, you want to read some books? So we're just in here trying to make time go by quick. They got a little book station right here, so I'm about to what? Get a book, sit in the rocking chair right there, and read her book. And just wait for Sean. Yeah, you can get in the chair. You gonna go to sleep? Night night. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, baby. Night night. Night night, baby. So we just got back home, y'all. It's like really real, like removing all of these boxes. So this is the kitchen stuff right here. They haven't broke down the table and the couch or the beds. They're gonna come back in the morning and they're gonna do all that. Boxes right here. Let me show y'all upstairs. There's boxes everywhere. You ready, babe? You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
This is it. Sky, what happened to your room? What happened to your bed? So what? Yeah, your bed. What happened?
It happened.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, goodness.
So boxes. These are our clothes. Clothes that was hung up in the closet. Clothes right there. More clothes. My jeans. Boxes of clothes. Shoes. Clothes. So here's what everything is looking like. Boing. Babe, this was our first place together. How do you feel? We leaving. Where y'all at? It's only one place y'all could be. I found y'all. That's a good spot. They trying to find me.
Where are you?
Mommy, Daddy. Mommy.
Where are you?
He probably didn't think I came through all of that right there. They really looking. They cannot find me. Might as well sit down and take me a nap. Finally found me after like 10 minutes of searching. Daddy gonna hide. Y'all, this is one of Sean's Father's Day gifts. It really came quick. I had to get express shipping. Ready or not, here we come.
Come.
Ready or not, here we come.
Come. The mommy, Daddy.
I don't know. Daddy, where are you?
Daddy. Yeah.
Come on, go down.
Daddy.
Yeah. Go downstairs.
Daddy.
Boing.
Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
Okay, you okay? Daddy, where are you?
Daddy.
Daddy, where are you? Come on, let's look.
Yeah.
Daddy, where are you?
I think I hurt my neck.
Oh no.
I knew you was gonna be here. You know how I knew? So guys, I'm in my car right now. Y'all rarely see me in my car, but I got my tags today from my car. I'm at the car wash. I just washed my car, vacuumed out the inside, you know, got it smelling good and everything like that. So I decided to keep my car because I didn't sell it before we leave. So I'm going to get it shipped to our new place, and then I'll just continue to save on like a down payment for, not even a down payment, but just save for a car that I really want. Really not in a rush to get anything right now, but I have been looking. But yeah, I'm tired. I have been vacuuming out this car. It's just been a mess. So now I'm getting ready to go home and wipe everything down and, you know, just have it fresh and clean and nice. But yeah, that's what I got going on. Sean and Skylar, I know they went to the grocery store. We needed something to drink at the house, and yeah, so that's all we got going on. Tomorrow they're coming to officially pick up everything, and we're saying bye-bye to ourselves until we get to Illinois. So I'm super excited. I'm just so excited for a change, to get to our new place. So yeah, this is so exciting. But yeah, I'm getting ready to head home. Oh, I need to go to, y'all, I found a scratch off in my car from when I was in North Carolina, and I won $5 on it. I forgot to, it said claim within 90 days. Darn. So I just lost out on $5 because I didn't get it, and it's been past 90 days. Anyways, I'm getting ready to head home. I don't know where we're eating tonight, y'all. Honestly, I feel like going to Jersey Mike's and getting me a sub. I'm gonna call Sean and see what he wants. Hey babe.
Hey.
What we eating tonight?
I'm gonna eat pizza.
You gonna do what?
Eat just pizza and sandwiches.
Okay, I guess I'll eat me a sandwich or some waffles too.
You can eat some?
Huh?
I said you can get you some.
Alright, you sure you don't want anything then?
Where you about to go?
I don't know. Probably get a burger or something, because I know Skylar, she'll eat a burger.
Alright.
Alright. Later. So guys, so it is 10:32 and I'm super tired. I'm getting ready to go upstairs, get me a good old shower, and just come downstairs, probably lay down, relax, go to sleep. I just got done on Skylar's hair. I braided it up so I don't have to worry about it, since we have so much going on. So yeah, I just braided it up, all done.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Check it out.
Yeah, you like your hair?
No, no, no. I want it.
You don't want to be on camera? Do you like your hair?
No, no, no.
You don't like it?
You open. You open.
Yeah.
You open.
Can you blow a kiss?
Mama.
Say love you.
Hello.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. My battery's getting ready to go dead. I'm glad that the battery started flashing, because I have to charge my battery. I'm so glad I turned the camera on, because I got a vlog tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thanks for coming along this journey with us, and for all your love, support. A lot of you guys are excited about this move with us, and it's yeah, I don't know what I was about to say, y'all. I'm so sleepy, but good night. Peace. I'll see you guys in the next video.